In this chapter, we will see the decision tree, how to construct the decision tree. So, it is known as ID3 algorithm. We will solve a problem and also we will see the basic requirements to the solving that problem, basic concepts. Okay, so how this decision tree construction works is first you have a data set, so with attributes, so you have to go on selecting the attribute values which are most suitable for classifying the examples. Okay, so this is called information gain. Okay, so information gain, there are two things, one is the entropy, another one is the information gain. Okay, so information gain measures how well an attribute separates the training example according to their target function. So in our decision tree which we saw in the previous video, so we have seen that outlook is in the root, so that means that it has the maximum information gain which we will calculate in the later. So it classifies the data set very well. So the outlook classifies the attribute, outlook classifies the data set very well. So that's information gain, whichever has the highest information gain, that's the best attribute to select. Okay, another one is entropy. Entropy means so entropy means in other subjects like physics, this means it's a measure of order. Okay, it's a measure of how orderly a system is. Okay, so if this entropy is required to calculate the information gain. So the entropy's formula, if we see entropy of S is that given data set here. So entropy of S, or the number of set of instances which we are considering, S means, so entropy of S is a minus of P, a positive example log to positive example minus negative example log to negative examples. Okay, so here, so how to calculate this positive examples and negative examples we will see next. So just for explanation purpose, we will take that play tennis data set. In play tennis data set, we have 9 positive examples and 5 negative examples. 5 positive means which is classified as a yes, and a negative example means which is classified, which has a target function no. Okay, so how to calculate the entropy? So we know that we have seen minus p positive log to p positive minus p negative log to p negative. How to calculate that one? Okay, so there are total of 14 instances in the data set. Okay, so how many are positive? Okay, 9 are positive, so we write a 9 by positive log 2. Okay, 9 by 14. So how to write minus p negative? So there are 5 negative examples. Okay, so out of 14 example, log to 5 by 14. Okay, this is how we calculate for the given number of instances. Okay, so we can just simplify that. It's a summation of, so it's a summation of minus pi log to pi. So pi means here, so once, how many types of classifications are there? 2 types are there. One is positive, another one is negative. Okay, so pi means this is, it says I equal to 1 to c, means that C means here target function, right? Yes, no, 0, 1, target function, right? How many target functions are there in this case? In this case 2 are there. One is positive, another one is negative. Yes, no are there. So I takes 2 values. One is a positive example, another one is negative example. Okay, so this is generalization. So if we are using the same formula for some other table where there are 4 or 5 types of classification, then I takes all those 5 classification values. Okay, here only 2 classifications are there, positive and negative. So if we understand only as minus negative for positive example and negative example, that's enough. Next is we saw how entropy works. Okay, so straight away take the classification in the instances and gain the entropy. So here after calculating the entropy, so we will be calculating information gain. Information gain means a gain for the set of instances for the given attribute, okay, and attribute value. Okay, so entropy of S we have calculated minus values of that attribute. Values of that attribute means for example wind, if we take, so that one arbitrary example. So values of wind is weak and strong. Okay, in the table plate 10 is value of the wind is weak and strong. Okay, so for weak, what is the multiplied by entropy of that weak. So for strong multiplied by entropy of the strong. Okay, so we'll just solve minor example and later go on to construct the table for just the demonstration of this formula. So we will see the next example here. So let's take from the table plate and is the values of wind are weak and strong possible. Okay, so let's take for the whole data set. So we have calculated the entropy S equal to 9 positive are there, 5 negative are there. Okay, so when we have wind equal to weak, okay, wind equal to weak, there are 6 positive example and 2 negative example in the data plate tennis data set. So we can see here. So in when wind is weak, okay, so this is one negative, which is we will first do the negative. 2 negative are there, so 2 negative are there, so 6 positive should be there. Okay, so wind is weak, 1 2 3, okay, 4 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 positives are there, 2 negatives are there. Okay, so similarly wind is strong, 3 positives are there, 3 negatives are there. Okay, so wind is strong, so we'll take this negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, so let's see the positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. So 3 positives are there, 3 negatives are there. Okay, so fine, then we have this. Okay, so just for the explanation of the formula we are doing this. We'll start from the beginning later. We'll start constructing the table, and from the when we do it from the beginning, you will understand better. Just to demonstrate what does the values in the formula represent, we are doing this. Okay, so entropy of S we have already this log 2. If we calculate it, it corresponds to this will be the value. Okay, entropy of S that we calculated here. Okay, so 0.940, that will be the value. Okay, so entropy of S, okay, minus, so here the value, okay, so the number of instances that contains the value. So the number of instances that contains the value. So out of 14, how many are S weak? Okay, so S V you have. So how many are S weak? 8 are there. Okay, so total number of instances is in the data set is 14. Entropy of S weak. So when you have entropy of S weak, how do we calculate? So we know that minus 6 by 8, because total number of weak two values are 8. So log 2 6 by 8 minus, so this is for negative example. So for S weak, out of 8 we have, so 2 are negative example, log 2 by 8. Okay, so this we calculate, and also minus, what is the other value? Other value is strong. So strong, how many are there total? How many SV? So how many instances in the total number of instances where value is strong? So 6 are there. 6 by total number of instances is 14, multiplied by entropy of strong. So how to calculate entropy of strong? So minus, okay, total number of values is 6, in that 3 log 2, 3 by 6, okay, so minus So other 3 by 6 log to 3 by 6. Okay, so you substitute these values, 0.94 minus 8 by 14. So if you, for this one you get 8.11, here it is 1. So you do the arithmetic and you get this value. This will be the information gain. So we have done this here for wind, for this table, right? So similarly we have to do it for humidity, similarly we have to do it for temperature, similarly we have to do it for outlook, and whichever gives the highest information gain, that will be the first attribute we will select as a root and then move on. Okay, so this is just a demonstration of how this formula works. Now let's construct the decision tree for the play tennis dataset. Okay, so let's have a look: outlook, temperature, humidity, wind, and final target concept, that is a play tennis, yes or no. So one before starting the problem, we will see, observe is if suppose all the instances are positive or all the instances are negative. Okay, if that is the case, then entropy of S is 0. Okay, so if there are equal number of positive and negative example where what we are considering, then the entropy of S will be 1. Okay, if there are equal number of positive and negative example, entropy is 1. If all if all of the instances which we consider have same classification, that is only yes, only no, okay, those kind of classification, entropy is 0. Okay, so now let's move on. Now we have to calculate the information gain for outlook, information gain for temperature, information gain for humidity, wind. Okay, so whichever has the highest information gain, that will be the first attribute that we will select for the tree. Okay, so we have just written our formulas here for better understanding. So we'll move on. First we have to calculate the entropy. So for information gain, first we have to calculate the entropy. Here all of 14 instances we are considering at the start. So we know that there are 9 positive examples and 5 negative examples. So straight away we can write, we have seen this, so log 2 9 by 14 minus 14 log 2 5 by 14, so that will be equal to 0.940. so this will be the entropy of S for the whole data set which we have now. So as we have already have our entropy, let's start calculating the information gain for outlook. So for outlook, information gain for outlook, temperature, humidity, wind, one by one we will calculate. So for outlook, so we have to calculate for outlook we have, so what are the attribute value? So one is a sunny, so next one is a overcast. So what is next is rain. So we know that we have to calculate entropy for sunny, overcast and rain. Okay, so how actually it will work? So we'll first write this one. So entropy with respect to of outlook with respect to our data set is entropy of S. Entropy of S. So we have here, observe, entropy of S minus summation of our for all the values we are taking. So for sunny, so there are 5 sunny values. Okay, so we are taking entropy of all the instances where we have attribute sunny. Okay, so mine. Okay, next plus, because this will become a whole minus, right? Okay, so next there are 4 instances where we have overcast. Okay, so outlook equal to overcast, so 4 by 40 entropy of, so the instances where it is overcast. Okay, so next we have, so we have how many instances? We have 5 instances where we have rain, 5 instances out of, so entropy of all the instances where outlook equal to rain. So this will be our gain, entropy of I S minus 5 by 14. So SV means sunny, overcast, rain. So those values at a time it will take. So S means a total number of instances we are considering. Initially we are considering 14 instances. Okay, whole data set. Okay, and then out of them 5 is sunny. The entropy of instances when the instance is overcast is sunny. So this whole thing is minus. Uh, and next is 4 by 14, 4 overcast instances are there out of 14. So an entropy of the instances where the overcast outlook is overcast, and also there are 5 instances where rain instances we have. So multiplied by out of 14 and multiplied by entropy of the instances where outlook is rainy. So we'll have this much. Okay, so we'll continue with the calculation now. So let's start entropy. We need entropy of sunny, we need entropy of overcast, and we need entropy of rain. So let's start with the entropy of where instances are sunny. So let's see here. Okay, so how many sunny instances are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sunny instances are there. In that, so 1, 2 and 3 instances are negative examples. Okay, so 1 and 2 are positive. Out of 5, 2 are positive. Okay, and 5 are negative. 3 are negative. Okay, so we'll do that. So 2 out of 5, 2 are negative. So log 2, 2 by 5 minus, so these are negative out of 5, log 2, 3 negative example out of 5. So you will be getting the answer 0.970. Okay, this will be the entropy of instances where the outlook is sunny. So next let's calculate entropy. So where the instances overcast value will be, outlook value will be overcast. Okay, so let's see here. So overcast, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are total 4 instances are there. Out of that, so 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 positive instances and 0 negative instances. So earlier we have talked that for any any set of instances, if all the classifications are same, so here all the classifications are yes, in this case the entropy will be directly, you can write as 0. Okay, so all the classifications are yes here, so in that case entropy is 0. Okay, so this will be about overcast, entropy of overcast. So now let's continue and go for entropy of rain. Okay, so entropy where our instances outlook value is rain. Okay, so let's see the table here. So where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 instances are there. So in that we have 1, 2, 3 instances where it is a positive classification. 1, 2 instances where there is a negative classification. Okay, so 3 positive and 2 negative. So how to calculate? So out of 5, so 3 are uh, positive examples, and out of 5, 2 are negative examples. So this will result in 0.970. This will be the value. Now let's go back to our formula. Okay, so gain formula. So gain formula will be, so entropy of, so entropy of S minus, okay, so whole minus 5 by 14 multiplied by entropy of multiplied by, so first we calculated Sunny, entropy of Sunny, so where the instances are Sunny, plus entropy of, so directly you can write 0, because if you multiply anything, so it will become 0, where the entropy was entropy of instances where outlook's value was overcast, we have calculated at 0. So it was actually the remaining 4 by 14 multiplied by 0, that's why straight away we are writing 0 here. Okay, so plus remaining rain instances. Okay, so 14 multiplied by our entropy of 9709. So if we calculate the value, it will be 0.246. Okay, so this will be the gain for Outlook. Okay, this will be the gain for Outlook. So this will be the gain. Initially we are considering the whole data set, so with respect to Outlook, so that will be 0.246. Okay, in the similar way, if you go on calculating for, now consider instead of temperature. Okay, so consider temperature. So how do we do temperature? So see the temperature, how many values are there? Hot, mild and cool are there. Okay, hot, mild and cool. So the value of a temperature is hot, mild and cool. Hot, mild and cool. So how will we write our gain with respect to temperature? How will we substitute entropy of S, minus, so how many instances of hot are there? So how many instances of mild and cool we will calculate. So hot are 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. There are 4 hot are there. So we will start doing. So 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of 14, 4 are there, multiplied by entropy of instances where the temperature is hot. Okay, so next mild. Okay, so how many mild are there, you see? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 mild instances. So we'll do 6 by 14, and entropy, calculate the entropy where the instances, considering the instances where the value is value of temperature is mild. Okay, so plus so cool, so how many cool instances are there? So cool is a 1 2 3 4 cool instances are there. So 4 cool instances are out of 14. Entropy of the instances where temperature equal to cool, this you have to calculate. So upon calculating, so we will get the value 0.029. so this will be the value we will be getting information gain for temperature. So similarly we will give calculate the gain for the other one, that is humidity. So for humidity again, so entropy of S minus, so what are the values of humidity we have? So the values of humidity are high, normal, only two values are there. Okay, high and normal. So how many highs are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 highs are there. Okay, so out of 14, 7 highs are there. Entropy, calculate the entropy of the instances where humidity is high, plus, so remaining 14 minus 7 you can do, right? 7 minus 40. Okay, so entropy where humidity is high and we have normal. Humidity is normal. Okay, so calculate this and we should be getting 0.151. Okay, so this will be the humidity. Next one, so we will be having gain of, with respect for the information gain with respect to wind for the data set. So how do we calculate? Entropy of S minus, okay, so for wind how many values are there? Okay, so weak, strong, only two values are there. So two values. So how many are weak? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 values are weak. Okay, so out of 14, 8 values are weak, and multiplied by entropy of instances where wind is weak. Okay, so next, so the remaining 6 are strong. The remaining 6 are strong. Okay, 14 minus 8 we have. Okay, so multiplied by entropy of wind where it is strong. So this should yield the value 0.029. Now, so what did we do? For outlook we had 0.246. For temperature we have outlook temperature, so we have 0.029. So for humidity we have 0.151, and for wind we are 0.029. Now see which has the highest information gain. Outlook has the highest information gain. So we will have outlook as a root, outlook as root of the tree. So now as we have selected our root as outlook, so we'll see like this one, outlook. Okay, so what are the attribute values? It has a sunny, overcast and rain. So what are the instances in our data set where outlook equal to sunny? D1, D2, D8, D9 and D11. So these are the instances where we have outlook equal to sunny. So we have, if we observe the table, 2 positive example and 3 negative example, total 5 instances we have. Okay, this is one set of instance in our future calculation. So initially, so we had 14 instance. When we select that outlook equal to sunny, so suddenly we have only these many 5 instances to consider. So when outlook is overcast, so how many instances are there? So we have D3, 7, D12 and D13. So from our data set we are picking up. That means that all four are positive examples. So when outlook equal to rain, so we have D4, D5, D6, D10, D14. Okay, so there are total 4 where 3 are positive and 2 are negative. So this we have to keep in mind. Okay, so now consider these instances what we have written as a separate data set. These instances as a separate data set, these instances as a separate data set. Okay, D1, D2 we have, right? So we have the list. Okay, separate data set, and start calculating. So outlook already we have taken. Okay, so outlook, okay, when outlook is sunny, so what is the temperature, humidity, wind information gain? When outlook is overcast, what is the temperature, humidity, wind information gain? When outlook is rain, what is the temperature, humidity, wind information gain? Okay, so consider only this much. So calculate temperature, humidity, wind. For see after outlook, so we have to calculate. So what should be the attribute value here? So outlook, what should be the attribute value here? So we have the root here. After rain, what should be the attribute value? We have to select here, right? So in this place, so consider this as a data set. Repeat the previous steps. Okay, but don't calculate for outlook because outlook is already selected. Okay, so overcast, repeat the previous process. Rain, repeat the process, information gain calculating process, and select an attribute with the highest information gain. So we'll start with sunny. Okay, so we'll start with sunny. So we'll calculate for outlook sunny, so combination. So if whenever the outlook is sunny, so from our data set, so what are those instances? D1, D2, okay, D8, D9, D11. Refer the table we have. Okay, so D1, D2, so D8, D9 and D11. 5 instances are there. Okay, so we have to calculate the gain where our outlook is sunny, and calculate for humidity. Okay, so what we have to gain? We have to calculate the gain where outlook is sunny. So temperature. So we have to calculate a gain where outlook is a sunny and wind. Okay, so we have to calculate the information gain for all this. So let's start with humidity. So gain equal to so entropy. So first we have to calculate what is the entropy of that data set. Okay, d1, d2, d8, d9, d11, 5 instances we have, right? So we'll just do that. Okay, so entropy of that when it is sunny, so minus. So humidity has how many values? Humidity has two values. Okay, so one is high, another one is normal. There are two values, one is high, another one is normal. Okay, so how many are high here? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 are high. Okay, so out of sorry so we have to calculate only when it is sunny. Okay, so we calculate, so when it is sunny, 1 2 4 5, we have to calculate it only when they are sunny. So how many are high here? 1 2 3. Okay, so 3 are high, so remaining 2 are normal. Okay, so sunny, so we have a normal sunny here, normal sunny here also normal sunny is there. So 3 highs and 2 normals we have. Consider only when outlook equal to sunny. Okay, so out of 5 we have, so 3 are high outlook, high humidity. Okay, 3 are high humidity, so multiplied by so humidity, we write humidity is high and normal. So there are 3 instances where humidity is high, 2 instances where humidity is normal, out of 5 instances where our outlook is sunny. Okay, so entropy of humidity where we have a value of high plus so out of 5 we have 2 instances where we have normal multiplied by entropy of humidity where we have normal. Okay, we have normal, so we calculate that one. So next, how to calculate a entropy of yes, sunny we have to calculate, right? So that equal to, so how many sunnies are there? So there are 5 sunnies. Okay, so out of 5 2 are positive and 3 are negative. Okay, so out of 5, 1 2, so 2 are 1 2, 3 are negative, other are positive. Okay, so 3 are negative, 2 are positive. 2 by 5 log 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 log 2 3 by 5. Okay, so this will result, okay, minus is there, remember here. Okay, so always observe this formula. So what we get here is 0.970. So we'll start substituting in our gain. So entropy of we have to find out humidity equal to high when our outlook was sunny, we calculate. So whenever the outlook is sunny, okay, so whenever the outlook is sunny, so humidity high is no. Okay, so outlook is sunny, humidity high is no. So outlook is sunny, humidity weak, so humidity high is no. Okay, outlook is sunny. So humidity, so whenever outlook is sunny and humidity is high, so we observe that it's always uh, no, negative example. Okay, so whenever outlook is sunny and if we observe humidity equal to high, so there are three positive out of five, there are three positive examples. Okay, so sorry, three negative examples and two positive examples. So humidity is equal to sunny. Okay, so next one here, sunny, weak. Okay, so sunny, high, normal. Okay, so consider outlook and humidity. Okay, so whenever outlook is sunny and humidity is equal to high, so there are three instances are there and all are negative. So sunny, humidity equal to high, no. So there are three instances and all are negative examples. Okay, so we remember what we have taught. So whenever we have the same classification, okay, so only yes, only no, entropy will be 0. So entropy, another one we have to calculate where humidity is uh, normal. Okay, so outlook is sunny and humidity is normal. So let's see here. So outlook is uh, sunny, here is high, here also high. So humidity is normal, positive example. Sunny, humidity are normal, it's a positive example. Okay, so there are two instances like that and all are two are positive examples. So again this is 0. So when we are writing calculating the information gain, so how will we write gain of, so when our outlook is sunny and humidity, okay, so entropy of those 5 instances minus, so out of 5 uh, 3 are high. Okay, so where all are positive negative example, so entropy is 0, and 2 are normal, so where all are positive examples, so entropy equal to 0, so that forms a 970. So this will be the gain when outlook equal to sunny and with respect to humidity. So in the similar way, so we will write the gain sunny and temperature. Temperature, there are two values. One is the temperature which is hot. Sorry, there are three values: hot, mild, and cool. Okay, for temperature, so there are hot, mild, and cool. Okay, so how to calculate entropy of S? We have, so entropy, first we have to calculate entropy where temperature equal to hot. So entropy where temperature equal to hot. Okay, so and outlook equal to sunny. So outlook equal to sunny, temperature equal to hot. Okay, so yeah, no, so sunny, hot. Okay, so sunny, mild, sunny, cool, mild. Okay, so there are out of 5 outlook equal to sunny instances, so and in that 2 are hot. Okay, in that 2 are hot and both are negative instances. Okay, so there are negative instances, so there are 2 instances. Okay, so directly you can write 0, all are negative instances, so you don't have to calculate anything. So entropy where temperature is mild, temperature is mild. So sunny, hot, sunny, hot. So we have sunny, mild, sunny, cool. Okay, sunny, mild. 2 instances are there. One is no, another one is yes. So we have known that if we have, so it's a case of entropy where we are calculating. So the outlook is sunny and temperature is mild. So we have one yes, one no. So if equal number of positive and negative examples are there, so the entropy is 1. Okay, the entropy is 1 if we want to calculate 1 by 2 log 2, 1 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2 log 2, so which is equal to 1. Okay, so entropy of T cool, entropy of T temperature equal to cool. So outlook equal to sunny, temperature equal to cool. Sunny is hot, sunny is hot. So sunny mild, sunny cool. Okay, so there is only one instance. Again, sunny mild. Okay, so there is only one instance, and that's equal to telling all instances have same classification. Only one instance is there, and that is yes. So its entropy is 0. Okay, its entropy is 0. So let's put it in for information gain. Okay, so we have entropies, we have calculated. So let's do it for information gain. So how do we calculate the gain of so where outlook is sunny and we have temperature with respect to temperature. So entropy of outlook equal to sunny instances minus so our temperature equal to high, so temperature equal to hot instances, our multiplied by entropy where temperature is hot, it turned out to be 0. Okay, so another one out of 5, temperature equal to mild instances. Okay, so temperature equal to mild instances. So it's also it was 1. Okay, so next so out of 5 what we have, so we had one instance where it was cool. Okay, so one instance where sunny and cool, and it had only one classification yes, so entropy becomes 0. Out of 5, one instance 0. So resultant answer is 0.570. so this will be the answer. Okay, so this will be the gain for when outlook is sunny, with respect to temperature, this is the gain. Now so outlook equal to sunny and with respect to temperature and humidity we have done. Okay, so gain, okay, where outlook is sunny and last remaining is wind. Okay, yes, we had written straight for outlook, so outlook equal to sunny and wind. Okay, so that is we have to calculate what are the values for wind. So for wind there is a weak, strong, two values are there. Okay, so weak, strong, weak and strong. So consider, so we have to calculate entropy. So where outlook is equal to sunny. Okay, so wind equal to weak and strong, two are there. So how do you do that? So minus, so where outlook is sunny and wind equal to weak, so see this, outlook is sunny, wind equal to weak. Outlook is sunny, strong it is. Okay, so sunny, weak, sunny, weak. Okay, so there are total 3 instances like that. So yes, no and no. Okay, so there are 3 instances. Out of that so we have 1 and 2 negative instances and 1 positive instances. Okay, so 1 out of 3, 2 1 positive instance and out of 3 to negative instance. So we will be having 0.918 as answer. That will be the entropy for this. Okay, so let's see for what will be for wind equal to strong. So for wind equal to strong, so entropy, so where outlook equal to sunny and wind equal to strong. Okay, so let's see. So outlook is sunny, wind is strong. Okay, so sunny outlook is sunny, wind is strong. Okay, so there are two instances where outlook is sunny and wind is strong. So what are the classification? One yes and another one is no. So that is entropy is 1. Straight away you can write 1. So now we can have entropy of wind's values. So we can write now the information gain where outlook is sunny and with respect to wind. Okay, so we can write now entropy where outlook equal to sunny. Okay, entropy where outlook equal to sunny minus instances where wind had weak and strong. Okay, so where wind was strong, so weak and strong, so 0.918 plus, so two instances where wind was strong, two instances where wind was strong, so entropy was 1. Okay, so 3 instances out of 5 where out of 5 this 5 is where outlook equal to sunny, so those instances. Okay, in that wind was strong and so wind was weak and wind was strong. Okay, so 3 were weak, 2 were strong, and its entropy also we calculated. Okay, so when we calculate the numerical we get 0.0192 as answer. So this will be gain for wind. So we have calculated now humidity, temperature and wind. Okay, so let's write what is the gain. So gain when outlook is sunny with respect to humidity is so 0.970. So similarly gain where outlook is sunny and we have with respect to temperature, so we calculated it as 0.570. so gain where outlook is sunny and with respect to wind. Okay, so we are calculating it as 0.0192. So which has the highest information gain? Humidity has the highest information gain, and that is the one we will select. So now what is the updation on the tree? So we have outlook as the root calculated. So there were sunny, so there was overcast, there was rain. So outlook equal to sunny, and here which attribute we have to select? So that was humidity. That was humidity. So whenever humidity is high, okay, so whenever humidity we have high and humidity we have normal. Okay, so humidity we have high and humidity we have normal. Okay, see, observe here. So whenever it is high, whenever sunny and high, it is negative. Sunny and high, negative. Sunny and high, negative, sunny, normal, positive. Okay, sunny, normal, positive. So whenever it is the high, we have a negative. So whenever we have sunny, normal, we have positive. So straight away we can write here. So sunny high is negative. Okay, so sunny normal is positive. Okay, so we can write it later. So overcast. So overcast, if we observe here, so overcast 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, 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 and yes, all positive example. If we, whenever outlook is overcast, it is a positive example. So we don't have to calculate the next attributes. So it's straight away yes. Entropy. So we don't have to calculate any information gain again. Okay. So because entropy when outlook equal to overcast, what will be the value? 0. Okay. So 0 minus something, we don't have a negative information gain. Okay. So information gain is always positive. So outlook. So we have, so whenever it is a sunny, so next came humidity. So whenever it was humidity, so it was high and normal. So we get no. Here we get yes. Here outlook overcast. All are yes. So we keep it yes. So what happens if it is rain? So outlook attribute is selected. Humidity is selected. Okay, so outlook is selected. Only remains is temperature and wind. Okay, so we have to calculate where outlook equal to rain, information gain, where outlook equal to rain and attribute is temperature. So where outlook equal to rain and attribute is wind. So we have to calculate only 2 of them. So not 3, only 2 of them we have to calculate because they are remaining. So we have to continue till we get the same classification, means all are yes, all are no. So take the example of overcast, all are yes. Okay, so take the example of outlook equal to sunny and humidity equal to high, all are no. So take the example of outlook equal to sunny, humidity equal to normal, all are yes. Okay, so until you get the same classification, so you don't write no or yes, so then you write the leaf yes or no. Okay, so now we are calculating where we have to calculate the information gain. So where outlook equal to rain, and let's start with we can start with the temperature. We can start. Okay, so rain, so we can start with the temperature with respect to temperature. Okay, so straight away first we have to calculate what is the entropy of outlook equal to rain. Okay, so where instances outlook equal to rain. So how many instances are there? So how many instances are there? One is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many positive are there? Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. So other are negative. So 3 positive, 2 negative. So out of 5, 3 are positive, and out of 5, 2 are negative. Okay, 0.970. So this will be the entropy. So we have to calculate it. Okay, so entropy of when outlook equal to rain. So what we have to calculate now? Entropy of rain. So in temperature we are calculating. Okay, so temperature. So what are the values it has? Temperature has hot, mild and cool. Okay, so temperature has a hot, mild, cool. Okay, so temperature has hot, high, mild. So calculate the gain. So we have to calculate gain. Okay, so entropy when outlook equal to rain. Okay, so minus information gain, so we are writing, so so when temperature equal to hot by total instances. Okay, so total rain instances, how many are there? There are total 5 are there. Okay, so multiplied by entropy of uh, outlook equal to rain and temperature equal to hot. Okay, outlook equal to rain and temperature equal to hot. So next, number of instances. Okay, so where temperature equal to mild out of 5. Okay, entropy of, so when outlook equal to rain and temperature equal to mild. Okay, so plus, so next is so our 5 instances in that, so temperature is cool. Okay, so multiplied by entropy where outlook equal to rain and temperature equal to cool. Okay, so this we have to calculate. So we have to calculate of the temperature entropy of when it is hot, mild and cool whenever the outlook was rain. Okay, so we'll start calculating the entropy. Okay, so entropy, so when outlook equal to rain and temperature is hot. Okay, so that one equal to, so let's see, outlook is a rain, 5 instances are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, sorry, 5 are there. So when temperature equal to hot, no, 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 no. Okay, so there are 0 instances where this combination occurs. Okay, so what happens here? So it becomes naturally 0. Okay, there are no instances, so you don't, there is no matter in calculating the uh, entropy. Okay, so entropy where outlook equal to rain and temperature equal to mild. Okay, temperature equal to mild. So let's see, our rain mild, one is the positive example, mild no mild. Okay, cool mild, 2 is there, it's also a positive example. Okay, so rain and mild. Okay, so we have a negative example also for rain and mild combination. Okay, so 2 are positive and 1 is a negative we have. Okay, so out of 1 2 3 4 5, out of 5, sorry, out of 3 milds, rain and mild combination. So out of 3 rain and mild combination, 2 are positive, 1 is negative. Okay, so out of 3 rain and mild combination, okay, so 2 are positive we have, and 1 is negative we have. Okay, so what will be the number was 0.918, so this will be the number. Okay, so next, entropy where outlook equal to rain and temperature equal to cool, temperature equal to cool. Okay, so we will see for the combination outlook equal to rain and temperature equal to cool. So outlook is rain, temperature is mild, so rain cool, rain cool. Okay, so rain mild, rain mild. Okay, rain mild. So rain cool is there, one is yes, another one is no. Okay, so one is positive example, another one is negative example, so straight away you can write entropy is 1. Okay, so now we will straight away uh, start calculating the gain, information gain where outlook equal to rain and with respect to temperature, so 0.90 entropy of this combination. Okay, so minus, so there are 0 instances where we had hot, okay, temperature is hot and outlook equal to rain, that kind of combination, so that resulted in 0. So there were three instances of rain and mild instances. Okay, rain, outlook equal to rain, and temperature equal to mild. Okay, so multiplied by entropy of uh, temperature, outlook equal to rain and temperature equal to mild. So that was 918. So that we calculated, plus, so there were two instances, one positive and one negative, remember. So out of 5 where it was cool and one positive and one negative it was, so that this became 1 9 1 sorry um, 0.0198. Okay, so with respect to temperature, this will be the information gained. Similarly, you have to calculate a gain for uh, the outlook equal to rain and wind combination. Okay, so how many are there? Okay, so outlook equal to rain 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we have the entropy already. Okay, output rain. Next we have so 0.970. So minus how many for wind, weak and strong. Okay, so two are there. So weak and strong, wind equal to weak, strong are there. So total how many weak are there? So where outlook equal to rain, 3 weak is there. Okay, so multiplied by entropy of when wind is weak. Okay, so plus 2 strongs are there, and outlook equal to, when outlook equal to rain, so multiplied by entropy of when wind equal to strong. So we have to calculate when outlook equal to rain, what is the entropy when wind is weak. So what is the entropy when outlook equal to rain and wind is strong? Okay, so we'll start calculating that one. So entropy, I'm straight away writing in shortcut. So okay, so and wind is weak, so wind is weak. Okay, so what is the entropy? So let's see this combination. Okay, so rain weak, rain strong, rain weak, rain strong. So there are three instances, yes, yes, and yes. All three are positive examples, so straight away 0. So find the entropy when our outlook is rain and wind is strong. Let's see this. Okay, so rain, wind, and strong. So yeah, no, so all negative examples. Okay, so straight away it is 0. Okay, so entropy is 0. Now let's calculate the gain when outlook equal to outlook equal to rain and with respect to wind. Okay, so we'll straight away write 0.70 minus, so there were 3 instances. Okay, so again 0, 2 instances of strong, its entropy was 0. So 0.970. So temperature was 0.0198. Okay, so this one is 0.970. So wind has the highest information gain. So when outlook is rain, so we select wind as the descendant of the descendant attribute. So we select wind for the descendant attribute. Now let's see our tree outlook. Okay, so outlook is a sunny, overcast, rain. So remember, we have to go on finding the attributes until we get the total classification, all yes, all no, something like that. Okay, so we selected humidity here, humidity attribute. Okay, so whenever outlook was sunny and humidity was high, so we got all classification as no. Okay, so whenever outlook was sunny and humidity was normal, okay, so we got all classification as yes. When outlook was overcast, we got all classification as yes. So when outlook was rain, and so our newly found attribute wind. Okay, so wind has two of them, so one is a strong, another wind is a weak. Okay, so when outlook is a rain and wind is strong, all classifications, if we observe for this combination in the table, it is no. So when outlook is rain and wind is weak, all classification in the table is yes, in our data set is yes. So we have attained or leaf or single classification for all the branches we have. So we don't have to insert a temperature attribute here, so we can leave that. It's like a just like a don't care condition that we saw in the first module. Okay, so this is the tree which we construct. So we have to practice it like 2 or 3 times, and it is asked for examination also. From examination point of view, it is a very important question, so practice it 1 or 2 times. Okay, so once you understand how we are putting the value, it's a very easy problem. Just that you should have 1 or 2 times. If you practice on paper, it's a very easy problem.